Hello everyone, this is Girija Raviraj from Excellent Tutorials. If you are new to this channel, it is all about commerce and computer education simplified. We are going to discuss the next topic called bookkeeping. Moving to the next slide, I am going to tell you about the meaning of bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is defined as an art of recording of business transaction systematically, that is chronological. In the sense, bookkeeping is a starting process in accounts which is going to produce useful accounting information of a business. It starts from recording of journal entry, includes transferring of entry from journal to ledger, that is called as posting, and going to find out the result, nothing but balancing and summarizing. So by balancing or summarizing, that is the end point or the concluding point of the bookkeeping. In the sense, it starts from journal entry, include posting to the ledger accounts, and conclude by balancing and summarizing. Friends, to be very precise, bookkeeping starts from recording of a transactions and ends before preparing of trial balance. The main intention of a bookkeeping is to record a complete detail of a transaction that occurred or that has taken place in the ordinary course of a business and largely focus on recording day-to-day financial transactions of a business. Friends, moving to the next slide, we are going to see the aspect of a transaction. Here, each and every transaction is having two aspects. One is receiving, another one is giving. For example, if you are giving me 100 rupees to me, there are the two aspects. One, you are giving me 100 and I am receiving rupees 100 from you. Here, receiving and giving is taken place together or taking place simultaneously. So each and every transaction will be having two aspects. One is a debit aspect or a credit aspect, or receiving and giving aspect. Friends, now we will be moving to the next slide, types of bookkeeping. So as I told, the aspects of a transaction, based on the aspect of the transaction, bookkeeping can be classified into single entry system and double entry system. Now we will move to the next slide for the to see the meaning of single entry. The name itself tells that is only one aspect of a transaction will be recorded. In the sense, there might be either a debit side or a credit aspect of a transaction will be recorded. Under this system, cash and personal account alone will be maintained. But this is very simple method of maintaining books of accounts, but it will not provide a complete information, or it can be called as an incomplete record. Here, this system will be maintained by the small business to maintain the books of accounts. Those who don't have the proper knowledge of the maintaining of accounts can go for maintaining single entry. So based on the information provided by these people, final accounts, whatever at the year end, the final accounts will be prepared approximately. The approximate figure will be taken from the books of accounts. That is a very rough figure, because remaining cash from the cash and personal account, you can get the right information. But regarding asset and liability, only the rough calculation will be done. So whatever the rough calculation done will be unscientific and it will not going to provide a complete information. So such a type of system will be followed by the small business to maintain books of accounts. So to be more precise, single entry is nothing but only it is going to record only one aspect of a transaction. It will ignore another aspect. Either it will record debit or it will record credit. Okay, another side of the transaction will be ignored, is called as a single entry. Friends, we will move to the next slide called double entry. So this method, both the aspects of a transaction will be recorded. In the sense, both the debit and credit aspect will be recorded simultaneously. Receiving and giving aspect will be recorded simultaneously. It is accurate, complete and scientific method of maintaining accounts. Here, this method will follow accrual basis. In the sense, if there is any outstanding receivable or payable, it will also be included in the system. So if a businessman want to maintain his books of accounts under double entry system, he should have a thorough accounting knowledge. In the sense, this system of maintaining accounts requires a thorough knowledge of accounts, how to maintain accounts. He has to follow the rules and he has to follow the regulations before maintaining the system and before maintaining accounts under double entry system. Friends, whatever the financial statement prepared under double entry system will always represent accurate figure, because actually all the accounts will be maintained and exact figure will be generated from the books of accounts. With that exact figure, the final accounts will be interpreted. From this interpretation, what happened, whatever is happening in the business can be seen, visually can be seen, and most accurate form of representing accounting data. Thus, finally, to conclude, double entry method is nothing but recording of both the aspects of a transaction simultaneously. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and press bell icon button. Stay tuned. Share with your friends. Thank you.